Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a Tesla Bluetooth lag not working or can't connect to Bluetooth, how you can basically reset it. So your vehicle settings may affect its ability to basically pair with your smartphone. So if you are on a Model 3, you just want to charge your battery because if the battery is too low, you lose the Bluetooth function. And what you can also do is you can update the vehicle software, make sure it's always up to date. So go ahead and click on controls on your Tesla touchscreen. Go to software, and then if there's an update available, go ahead and download and install that update. And what you can do also is you can go ahead and restart your touchscreen. Okay, so to restart your touchscreen, you want to basically shift your vehicle into park first, and then hold down both of these scroll buttons until the touchscreen turns black, usually for about 30 seconds. Make sure you hold down the brake pedal while holding down the scroll wheels. Okay, and then after a few seconds, basically the Tesla logo will reappear, and you need to wait for about 30 seconds for the Tesla touchscreen to restart. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and reboot your vehicle, and if Bluetooth still does not work, you want to unpair this from your vehicle and smartphone, then repair both again. So both to your smartphone and your vehicle, both again, okay? And if you're having a BLE phone key issues, then when you're in the vehicle, navigate to controls, then click on locks and remove your phone as a phone key and then set it back up again. Okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.